Hello, everyone. Today is Wednesday, is March 13th, 2024. Let's jump in straight away to the market analysis, more specifically for DAX. So let's just go through this in more detail. I'm just going to use the single screen right now because something I want to see is when all this started. And it seems like if we've gone through the whole bull run pretty much since the end of October 2023. Since then, we've seen the DAX's price going all the way up. Yes, we've seen periods of consolidation like this. We've seen, prices pushing all the way up again, some period of some more consolidation. But since I would say mid-February, we've seen this parabolic move without any significant reversal move. So, and we've seen this pattern in crypto. We've seen it in other stocks. We've seen it in other indexes around the world. The question is, when are we having um, uh, that correction? And to say, it's not that we as investors or traders were looking for prices go down. But we as traders also make money as prices drop. So it's just that it's we don't have historical data, right? So we don't have information. We have never gone through these levels right now. So there's nothing left to see as a guidance. At least if you trade the way how we trade using support and resistances as a guidance, it's not the ideal scenario. We have this period here where it was great for us. It was January. We had another period here at the beginning of February, but it's been almost a month, and we could see prices moving pretty much in a single direction. It's just moving down to the 4-hour time frames where we also confirm and suggest that we are in a very strong uptrend. We see pretty much from since January, since the beginning of January, we've seen prices trading above the moving averages. We've seen rivers always been in favor. They've always been bullish, and every time we went over the moving average cloud, prices reacted very well. So every time we had prices approaching those levels with a push, a strong push to the upside, every time making new all-time highs, new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time highs, and same um, for the past 4 weeks now. So I'm just going to move down to the 1 hour time frame because I want to start talking about my trading ideas for today. Again, it's not a it's quite evident that we are bullish. The prices could continue the move to the upside, which means that we're going to be following the trend, right? The trend is your friend, and we are going to be um, biased to play long trades, right? But now the question is at what levels. So I'm just gonna let's prices at the 1 hour time frame as prices are moving above the moving averages. We see the revert in our favors. We don't see any crossover, not at least anytime soon today. But if I move to the 30 minutes time frame, we can draw some of the ideas. Actually, we already have it here. So I'm just cheating a little bit because I had already put this together. But I would see how prices react to either this level, oh, either this level. Prices could get weaker and go all the way back down. I'm biased to play along here first just because we've seen this as strong resistance. Sorry, a strong support in the 4 hour time frame. We had different touches. Prices struggled to go above any of these levels for at least a couple of days. It wasn't until yesterday when it was broken to the upside. So let's see what happens. So these are my two ideas. Again, I'm always going to be reactive to these levels. I've put my alerts. So if we go down, let's see how price behave. We could see prices going weaker. Let me just use my, yeah. If I use the ADR level as as another confluence, prices could even still drop to this level, but I'm betting that it's a strong support at this level for the price to bounce the way up. And why not? If we see the continuation, I'll be biased to play a PRE. The only reason why I call it TSC is because if we can see prices struggling to go down and see good momentum to push up, I will put a TSC trade at this level. Of course, just make sure that I'm just moving to the 10-minute time frame that prices are below my previous day high. I'm just actually gonna label it here, previous day high. I've also enabled my Asian range as an additional confluence, Tokyo low and Tokyo high, so because we could see it's a pattern as well. DAX, we could see prices moving from one top to the other, so that could be my bias to play this long at this level. If I see prices being weakening at this level, I'll try to place the long at the 4-hour time frame support. So that's it for today. I hope you like it. I hope it's useful. Please feel free to reach out if there's any question. Yeah, thank you so much.